afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are live here at GSAC Hotel. Ayan. Alright, I will be your event host for today, ladies and gentlemen. My name is MC Mike. There you go, alright. So sa tingin ko po sa lahat ng mga nandito, no, deserve po ng ating debutante na bigyan natin ng masigapong palakpakan. Parinig nga ako ng malakas na palakpakan para po sa ating debutante. Ayan. Alright, the debutant really deserve to have a lot of appreciation coming from you guys dahil nag-prepare po kami ng isang program na sobrang exciting. Ayan. We're going to be giving out prizes maya-maya. Mamimigay din kami ng cash prizes. Ako. Alright, so yun yung gusto natin, no? Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito, especially those people that are going to be a part of our 18 traditions. Alright. So I am just going to be acknowledging everyone. Titingnan natin, no? Sabi nila kailangan daw may parol call muna tayo. Alright? But before we do that, I would like to introduce once again, my name is MC Mike, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Ako po yung tinagurian nilang the singing verse host of Bicolandia. I came all the way from Legazpi City at talaga nga namang binahe ko po yung papunta dito para makasama tayong lahat. Alright? So ready na ba tayong lahat, guys? Alright, nandito tayo, hindi to super formal ha. Kailangan po masaya ang ating araw sa celebration na to. Alright? And I wanted to hear that from you guys. Alright, people in the house, are you ready to party? Alright, ganyan dapat yung energy natin. Alright? If we're going to be starting a celebration, we need to make sure na naka-uplift yung vibe nating lahat para lahat tayo dito makakakuha ng magagandang experience. Alright? And of course, okay, so kailangan natin magpa-roll call muna, no? I'm just going to be checking kung nandito na yung magiging parte ng ating 18 traditions. Alright. Kapag tinawag ko po yung tradition ninyo, tatayo po tayong lahat tapos kaway-kaway. Para mga artista lang, yung mga ganon. Alright, syempre, uunahin ko, sino ang mga kasama sa 18 treasures? Tayo po tayong lahat at kaway-kaway. Come on, come on. Palapakan naman natin our 18 treasures. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Maraming salamat. Okay. Kapag may 18 treasures, ito yung mga pangmalakasan. Asa naman ang kasama sa ating 18 bills? Tayo po tayong lahat. Ayun, no? Alright. Nako. Ito yung mga nakakaluwag-luwag, no? Ayan, makikita po natin yan maya-maya. Alright. And of course, sino yung kasama sa ating 18 candles? 18 candles. Come on, come on, come on. Ayun, no? Ang gaganda naman ng 18 candles natin. Alright. Okay, so sino po yung kasama? Naku, eto na. Mas exciting to. Who's going to be part of 18 shots? Asan yung 18 shots? You know? Naku, you know? Ganun dapat yung energy natin. And last but not the least, alright, ang kasama sa ating 18 roses. Palakpakan natin yan. There we go. Alright. So I'm quite sure that everyone is really excited. Ayan. Marami po nagtatanong, no, bakit daw may mga pa-3 traditions, okay? Hindi niyo po ba alam that I am going to be explaining that to everyone before we proceed with every tradition na gagawin natin sa hapong ito. Malalaman natin kung bakit nandito to sa 18th birthday celebration, alright? Which is very important. Alright, so siguro naman, ready na tayo. Makita ang ating debutante. Are you guys ready? Makikita si Marian Rose Esperida kung gaano ka-Diyosa. Yung ating yung ating friend, alright, or classmates. Ayan. Okay, but before that, ladies and gentlemen, hindi po pwedeng hindi natin ipakilala ang mga taong malalapit sa puso nila. Alright? Let us all welcome the entrance of the sister and the grandparents of debutant. Alright, Shane, Stephanie Esperida, Anastasio Esperida, and Elena Esperida. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Palapakan naman natin yan. Grabe yung ate, hindi lang patalo. Alright, dito muna tayo. Alright, let's stay here first. Dito muna tayo sa middle stage. Dito muna tayo sa middle stage para nakikita muna tayo. Alright, there you go. Mami, dito muna tayo, Mami. Ayan. Okay, but of course, we are not going to be starting our program kung hindi po tayo nakakarinig na isang welcoming message sa napaka-Diyosang sister naman ng ating debutant. Alright? So, Shane, I would like you to do the honors, please.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good evening po and welcome po sa special na araw ni Marian. And thank you so much po sa Intiro po na nagkanhi and enjoy po. Thank you.
There you go. Maraming salamat. Ayan, sa pagpasok ng ating debutant, I would like to request you guys to please be on that part. Oo, dito muna tayo sa gilid. Ayan, maraming salamat. Para kita-kita natin yung arrive ng ating debutante. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to request everyone to please stand. Let us all stand as we welcome the main reason why we are gathered here today. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to our 80th birthday celebrator, or should I say, Marian Rose Esperida. Ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful debutant. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a round of applause. Nakikita natin kung gaano kasaya at ka-heartfelt yung pagpasok ng ating debutante. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, our 18th birthday celebrator. Let's give her a round of applause. Alright, there you go. So everyone can now be seated. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Alright. Now, sa isang celebration po ng ganito, no, kailangan daw meron tayong pa-symbolism. Alright? So, we all know that our debutant actually lived for 17 years long, almost 18 years. At eto po, nakikita natin yung flower crown sa ulo niya. That is going to be symbolizing her childhood. Alright? Now, sa tulong ng ating pinakamamahal na lolo at lola, at saka yung kapatid niya, lalapitan po natin yung debutant natin. Alright, lolo, lola, lapit na po tayo. Kay Marian. Alright. And Shane, you can also go ahead and do the honor. Tulungan natin si Marian na tanggalin ang ating flower crown. Symbolizing that we're going to be putting your childhood left behind for the meantime. Go ahead, Shane. Patanggal na lang ng flower crown. This is the symbolism how we are going to be showing everyone that you're going to be setting aside your childhood for the meantime. At sa tulong ng kanyang lolo at lola, sa gabay nila, lalagyan na po siya ng tiara. Alright, this is the beautiful crown na ilalagay sa ating debutant, symbolizing that she is now a full-grown woman. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Baka nagtatanong tayo, bakit si Lolo at si Lola yung kailangan gumawa nito? They are the one who's standing as in behalf of our parents. Okay, kaya sila po yung gagabay sa ating debutante for all year long. At sila yung gumagawa ng tradisyon na to. Ayan, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, the Esperida family, palakpakan po natin sila. Picture taking na muna, yun, no? Maraming salamat. Lola, Lola, and Shane, pwede na muna tayo maupo. Ayan. Alright, so, Marian, this is the day that we are now announcing or officially na adult ka na. Okay? That crown that you're actually wearing is a symbolism na talaga namang full-grown woman ka na sa araw na to. At syempre, kapag ganyan na full-grown woman, gusto ko, I'm gonna be giving you time para pumunta, umikot sa ating mga bisita. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and appreciate the closer look ng ating debutante. One more time, Marian Rose Esperita. Let's do this. There you go. You can do a little chit-chat sa mga bisita natin. Palapakan naman natin ang ating napakagandang debutante. You know? Alright. Alright, sa lahat ng mga bisita natin, this is the best time na i-greet naman natin ang ating debutant. There you go. We are giving you guys a closer look ng ating napakagandang debutante sa araw na to. Ay, yun na yung 18 candles. Nako naman, no? Maraming salamat. Alright, you may now be back on the center stage. Ayan, alright. So hindi na natin patatagalin pa to, alright? You may now go ahead and take your throne. Diyan ka muna sa araw na to, okay? Ayan. We are now going to be starting with our traditions. Ayan. Ito na yung sinasabi ko guys, no? Every tradition has its own symbolism. And this is the first one is very basic. Ayan. Kapag sinabi po natin may birthday, syempre magbibigay tayo ng regalo. Tama ba ako? Oo. Napaka-normal po niya. Lalo lang 18 years old na po siya. Okay. So I am now going to be doing the presentation of our 18 treasures. Okay. Sabi nila na kapag magre-regalo ka daw sa ating dito sa mga taong nag-birthday, hindi po ba kung ano yung ire-regalo natin? It has something to do about their personality. Kasi hindi naman tayo magre-regalo na hindi niya magagamit or hindi niya talaga gusto. Alright? So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be calling our 18 treasures. Ayan. Basta pagpunta po natin sa harap at ibibigay natin ang ating regalo, kailangan i-describe natin kung ano ang laman ng ating regalo. Okay? Alright, i-describe. Pero wag yung sasabihin kung ano yun ha. Kailangan itatakamin natin yung ating celebrator kung ano ba yung laman ng ating mga regalo. Again, i-describe natin kung ano ang mga regalo ibibigay natin. Alright? So I would like to have one microphone ready please. There you go. Maraming salamat. Alright, so without further ado, I am now going to be calling the first person under 18 treasures. Shujita Josh Del Rosario. Palakpakan naman natin. There you go. Ayan, i-describe mo naman kung ano yung nandiyan dyan.
What is this thing there? So,
Diri, di nila ako. Nakauna ako sa photographer sa mga. Diri, naka-live. Kaya gusto ni mama
really
nila.
prepared that
Live.
much, but still, I would like to give you this gift since
Di ako pwede di ako pwede kay ang
it's your
photographer.
birthday and
Para nakaulang.
yeah, I just really hope you had a nice day today, and also well, I forgot. Anyway, so I just really hope you just like my gift and have a happy day today and enjoy your birthday, you know, and I forgot what I said. Anyway, so
It's alright. There are things better left unsaid. But I can really see the dedication that you really wanted to give that gift to our celebrator. Thank you so much. Did I pronounce your name right, Sujita?
it's actually pronounced Shuhita, just so you know.
Shuhita, thank you so much. A round of applause to Shuhita, please. Thank you. Alright, there we go. You can just give the gift. And anyone who actually handed the gift can stay at the back of our debutant. There we go. You can join the debutant in there. Thank you so much, Shuhita. Alright, and the next person in line, ladies and gentlemen, Friends Alexis Esperida. There we go. You can go ahead and try to describe whatever gift that you have. Probably your mom rocked that, am I right? Okay, go ahead, please. It's okay. Don't be shy. It's fine. You can't describe it. You know what's inside? You know what's inside? Alam ba natin kung ano laman yan? Baka hindi nahihiya. Oh, yeah. Anyway guys, palapakan natin. Friends Alexis Esperita, you can join Ate Marian for a picture taking. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Alright, and the next person that I have here, Aubrey Borja. There we go. Na hindi ako aware na may pa-fans club pala si Aubrey. Ayun, no? Aubrey Borja. Yes. Ayan, pakidescribe sa amin kung ano yung naman ng regalo.
Happy birthday kay Marian. Unsuit kasi ni basta something black. Tapos masusunod nito sa cellphone and happy birthday.
There you go. Ang cute ng cabinet niya, no? Ay, charot lang. Ayan, maraming salamat. Palapakan naman natin Audrey Borja, guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Alright, you can just leave the gift. Tapos pabagay, Kim, can you get the microphone, please? Thank you so much. Alright, there we go. Next person I have here, Eliana Escandor. Eliana Escandor, please.
Dapat nakapit ako siya. Dinito na. Ito ba ganun sa'yo kanina?
Eliana Escandor, please. Yes.
So happy birthday, Marian. Siguro I would describe my gift simply. It is something useful and something that you will need. Siguro something that could stay with you throughout your journey as now you are 8. Yan lang.
Uy, yung laptop yan, oh. Laptop, ganon. Alright. There you can put your gift over there. Palapakan naman natin guys yung mga nagbibigay ng regalo. Eleanor, yes. Eliana, can you go ahead and take a picture, please? Thank you. Huwag ka man natakot kay Marian. Ayun, no? Oo. Tabihan natin. Thank you so much, Eliana Escandor. Which will be followed by Nika Ferreras. Nika Ferreras.
Yeah, perfect.
Lalagyan ko, maggamit mo yan.
Picture muna, Nika. Thank you so much. Pahiyain yung mga friends. Oo. Ayan, maraming salamat. And that will be followed by Raul Estoperes. Raul Estoperes, please. Oh, pa, ganun yung pagkakaraul natin, diba?
Hi, Marian. Happy 18th birthday. This gift might be simple and cutesy like you, but given by Dr. Who. Appreciation, that's all. Tapos, pala na ako gift, wala ako naka-newspaper, so makikita mo malaki.
Maraming. So, palakpakan naman natin si Raul. Okay? Yes, you can join our debutant, please. Thank you so much. There you go. And that will be followed by Iesa Don. Iesa, did I just pronounce the name right? Tama ba? Iesa? Iesa. Ayan, Iesa.
Hi Marian. Happy debut to someone who truly deserves to be celebrated. Today is all about you. Your journey, your growth, and the beautiful person you've become. Seeing you shine tonight makes me so proud because I know how strong, kind, and genuine you are behind all the smiles on you. And as you step into your birthday tomorrow, I hope you carry with you all the love surrounding you today. May this new chapter bring you confidence, courage, and endless moments that remind you of your love. Thank you for always being there for me. Kamusta na sila kami? We're always here for you today and always. So this gift is something you can wear. Nakikita mo ko kasi na minsan ginagamit mo yan. So, comfortable and something that you can bring with you on ordinary days and special ones. It's not meant to stand out that much. Just something simple you can wear and keep with you every day. And I think ang second is ma-feel mo ang childhood. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat. That's Ayesa Don. Thank you. Let's have a picture with the debutant, please. Yeah. All right, thank you so much. All right, and the next person in line, under 18 treasures, we have Andrea Obiacoro. There we go.
Birthday Marian, ang gift ko, very ikaw, ginagamit mo palagi.
Maraming salamat. Mga shy type naman yung mga friends natin. Alright, wait up. Alright, I'll just go ahead and stay here. Okay, maraming. That's Andrea Obiacoro. And the next person that I have here is Mary Joy Rabulan. Mary Joy Rabulan. Ito yung mga friends na ayaw magpakabog mo. Oo, yun o. Pak, ganon. Oo, diba? Yes, kindly join. Ayan, describe mo sa amin yung yung gift.
So, happy birthday, Marian. Sorry, hindi talaga ako prepare na gift ko. Pero alam ko magugustuhan mo since it is in a shade of...
Alright, maraming salamat. Mary Joy Rabulan. Bakit na lang yung nagbibigay ng gift ko? Mga nag-effort yung mga yan eh. Thank you so much. Pabunggahan tayo ng gift, no? Alright, and I'm so excited to know kung ano kaya yung laman ng gift para sa'yo ni Naomi Oliva. Naomi Oliva, can you join here? Noemi, there we go. Noemi Oliva.
Hi, Maya. Happy 18th birthday. So, ininagin ko, tulong na tao ang tinawagan ko sa para maaraman lang ang size mo. So, magagamit mo yan for sure. So, happy 18th birthday, Maya. Love you so much.
Maraming salamat. That's Noemi Oliva. Picture tayo. By the way, I would like to call the attention of our 18 treasures. Right after everyone's done, magpapapicture tayong lahat para may group picture tayo. Alright, next will be Danica Sabanyaw. Danica Sabanyaw, please. Yes, please join us over.
Hey, Marian, happy birthday.
So, huhulaan namin yan. Ayan. Palapakan naman natin, guys. That's Danica Sabanyaw. Bakit mahihiyain yung mga friends ko? Make the most out of it. Nandito tayo sa moment. Ayan. Titignan natin kung i-eksena, no? Morena Gonzalez. Alright. Ayun, no? Ikaw lang yung maputing morena na kakilala. Charot.
Hi, Marian. Happy 18th birthday. Ang gift ko sa iyo, dinadara mo pag nagpapansin kita sa baba.
Suka ba ito? Maraming salamat. That's Morena Gonzalez, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, next we have Zyrene Anatasio. Zyrene Anatasio, please. Ba't ba nagsasign of the cross ka pa? Ano ko kulto? Ayan. Huwag kayong kabahan guys, mag-enjoy tayo sa araw na ko. Ay, pagkatapos nito may pag-game ako. Sali tayo.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Marian. You're such an amazing person. May this new chapter bring you lots of joy, success, and all the things you dream. Along with my birthday wishes, I wanted to give you this small gift. It might be simple, but I picked it out, especially because it made me think of you. All the good times we shared and how much you need to. Hope you like it and bring it. And that it brings a little extra smile to me.
Maraming kaya naman pala nagsasign of the cross kasi hahal-halal tayo. Chumika siya. Kaya maraming salamat. That's Irene Anastasio. Thank you so much. And that will be followed by Chelsea Escote. Chelsea Escote, please. Alright, there. Baka pala papunta pa lang dito, no? Oo, para makaabot. What about Christina Moore? Christina Moore, come on down.
Happiest birthday, Ate Mayan. Wishing you a day filled with joy, love, and all your favorite things. Wear this gift and know your love and value. This gift symbolizes our bond, friendship. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Ayun, maraming salamat. That's Christina Moore. Okay. Thank you. Kakasi mo ba yun? Kakasi mo si Christine. A friend, oo. Sila yung mga kaklase na parang mga magkita sa school, no? Yung mga naglalagay ng bubble gum sa hair. Yan lang. Alright. Okay, next we have Macy Relucio. Sana ganyan nyo rin ako pinapalakpakan.
Hello. So, in prom ko lang yun na gift ko sa'yo. So, i-describe ko siya yung something long, something wet, and
Kakakit, something low, something wet.
Sorry po, nakulit ako sa akin. So, since we share the same interest and essentially for everyday use, happy birthday!
Maraming salamat. Palamakan naman kasi natin Macy Relucio. Thank you so much. We have last two people na masasama sa ating 18 treasures. And I have here Edith and Eton. Edith. Nasaan po si Edith, Eton? There you go. Palamakan naman natin yan. Alright.
Good evening, everyone. I'm sure you don't know me. I am Grace Crossers. 8 Crossers. Congratulations, Marianne. And happy 18th birthday. God bless you. You're beautiful. And this is something that you can use every day, anywhere. Congratulations.
Matawag naman ang Great Crusher. Siya yung pinakamalaking regalo, di ba? Oo. No one is a Great Crusher here. Everyone is really invited. Oh yeah. Alright, thank you so much for attending. Ayan. She's from Australia, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi naman po kangaroo yung laman yan. Charas. Ayan. Maraming salamat. And the last person to complete our 18 treasures, Shane Anderson Erlano.
Birthday, Ate Maria, and iya po sa ang gagamit ko po iya araw-araw, and Sophia, and happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. There you go, Shane Anderson Erlano. And just like what I've said, I'm going to be calling back all our 18 treasures. Samahan natin ang ating debutante for a picture taking. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. Our debutant together with our 18 treasures. Wala ba palakpakan ng ating 18 freshers? Ayun eh. Alright, these people really have given an effort para magbigay po ng something remarkable sa ating debutante sa araw na to. Alright, these are very generous friends. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Baka guys nagtatanong kayo ako bakit ganito ka-technical yung ating mga videographers. Because later, alright, before we end our program sa araw na to, makakapanood po tayo ng isang video. Everything that happened within the day is going to be compiled sa isang napakagandang video. Alright, palapakan naman natin RO Films, ladies and gentlemen, by Sir Rich Olivar. Thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat. Okay, so sabi ko kanina, no, mamimigay tayo ng regalo. Okay? May mga nakaprepare kami dito. Naku, napaka-special niyan, ha? Sino naman may mga ano sa inyo dito? Vacuum flasks or anything alike. Ayan, meron tayong pamimigay na ganyan. Okay? Ganito lang kadali ang aking palaro para hindi tayo nahihirapan. Hindi natutuno ang mga makeup natin. Alright, ganito guys. Magpapatugtog ako ng mga music na very familiar sa atin. Alright, kung sino ang makakahula doon sa itatanong ko about sa music, agad-agad may prize yan. Alright? We'll be giving out first 10 prizes. First 10 prizes. Okay? Alright. Ready na ba guys? Ready na ba? Ready! Oh, naku, napakahina naman yan. People in the house, game ka na ba? Game na! Alright, ayan. Game na tayo. Okay, let's do this. Let's play music number 1. Anong brand yan? Sino nakakaalam ko ng brand? Pumunta na dito yung nakakaalam. Nako, parang naman diretso price agad, oh. Sino? Oo, ayun. Ano naman? Ako naman, oh. Sino nakakaalam ka? Punta na dito! Nako, pumunta na dito kung may nakakaalam. Ayun, oh. Eh, kanina ka, pa adjudant ka na kanina. Ano pangalan? Ano pangalan? Select ako pangalan dito. Ano pangalan mo muna? Lawrence, ayan, Lawrence. Ako, para periodical test, no? Lawrence, ano ang brand ng music na yung naririnig? Selecta is wrong. Mali. Sino nakakaalam? Come on. Mali ka dito, baby. Ayun, no? Oo, come here. Hi, what's your name? Si Jonah. Baka naman Jonah, tama na ngayon, ha? Naririnig natin ito pag alas 2 ng hapon after lunch. Ano ang brand ng music na yung naririnig? Nestle or Nestle ice cream is correct. Nako, ibigay na natin yan. Congratulations. Picture tayo kasama si Debutant na yan. Sa mga mananalo, picture tayo. Congratulations! Dire-diretso tayo. Let's play music number 2. Anong TV show yan? Punta ka dito kung mga nakakakilala ko. Ayan. Dito ka, Bibi. What's your name? Si Andrea. Oo. Alam mo to, no? Oo, sige. Ano ang TV show na to? Encantadia. Oo. Halika dito, Andrea. Di ba sa Encantadia, kapag binibigyan ka ng powers or anything handog, di ba nagpapasalamat sila? Kailangan masabi mo yung pasasalamat, the Encantadia way. Alright? Paano sila nagpapasalamat? Abisala Espa is correct. Ibigay na natin yan, no? Maraming mo. Picture muna tayo. Picture tayo. Ayan. Palapakan naman natin yung mga nananalo, guys. Huwag tayo papahalan ng mga inditera. Kayo kasi ninyong akaya pumunta dito, di ba? Oo, dapat alam natin yan. Alright, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Let's play music number 3. Anong anime ito? Sino nakakaalam? Oo, ayan. Ako, baka tumama na tayo this time, di ba? Oo, ayan, Lawrence. Ano ang title ng anime na to? O, di ba kapag bubuuhin na yung robot, anong sinasabi nila? O, pag bubuuhin yung robot, di ba? May sinasabi sila. Ano daw? Ano daw? Oh, let's vote in. Ganon, dapat sabihin mo yun, ha? Let's vote in. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's vote in. Nakatawa naman ko ganon. Ayan, kunin mo yung regalo. Palapakan naman natin yan, Lawrence. Ako, grabe yun, ha? Picture, picture. Pag-ilan na ba tayo?
Pangatlo. Fourth na.
Alright, maraming salamat. Let's play music number 4. Oh, anong TV show yan? Tarayan natin. Oo. Halika dito. Ayun ka dito. Oo. Uy, hindi ko alam na nagkongolekta ka pala ng vacuum fast. Para magtatayo ka ng family business pagkatapos nito. Ayan, Andrea, ano ang title ng TV show na yan? Diba na wala ka? Hello? Okay. Sino ang bidang lalaki doon? Sino ang bidang babae? Okay. Sa Meteor Garden, ang pinaka-iconic scene doon, habang tumatakbo yung bus, tapos nandun si Dao Mingsu, hinahabol siya ni Sanchai, di ba? Tapos may sinisigaw si Sanchai. Ano ba sinisigaw ni Sanchai? Oh, ayan. Sige, kailangan isigaw mo to sa amin, ha? Kunyari, nandun na yung bus, oh. Nandun na yung Dao. May Dao Mingsu na ba ng buhay to? Meron na ba? Wala pa. Oh, sige. Hanapin mo ngayon. Gusto ko marinig yung Dao Mingsu. Ganon. 1, 2, 3, go! Ulit. O, tawag din practice. Oo. Alright, ayun na yung regalo. Oh. Ayun na yung ano. Nako. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayun, picture tayo. Congratulations. Nako. Ayun, no? Dapat mas matinis pa doon, diba? Alright. Anyway. Okay. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Alright. Nako, excited na kayo, no? Let's play music number 5! Anong TV show ka na natin? Alright, hello, kumusta ka? What's your name? Angeline. Ayan, si Angeline. Ako, showbiz yung pangalan. Ano ang TV show na yan? It's Showtime! Alright. Sa Showtime, meron silang sinasabi, di ba, kapag pa-umpisa pa lang, para mag-greet. Ito kunyari yung bandang people, no? I-greet mo yung ating bandang people the Showtime way. Angeline, 1, 2, 3, go!
What's up, bandang people?
Alright. Oo. Tapos, may isang host doon, si Ann Curtis, di ba? Alright. Si Ann Curtis may sinasabi. Alright? This is your show. This is your time. It's showtime. Dapat gagayahin mo si Ann Curtis. Okay? Alright. Gagawin natin yun, Angeline, ha? Okay. Hawakan mo yung microphone. Bibilang ako. 1, 2, 3, go!
This is your show. This is your show. This is showtime.
Ayan, ibigay na natin. Congratulations. Picture tayo, picture, no? Ayun na, oh. Araw-araw natin naririnig yun, di ba? Alright, maraming salamat, Angeline. Number 6. Okay, number 6 na tayo, no? Let's play music number 6! Anong pelikula yan? Oh, dito na ba? Pupunta na dito. Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan, sige. Ayan. Ano ang title ng pelikula? Titanic. Okay, sino bidang lalaki doon? Sino ang bidang babae? May Rose ka na ba ng buhay? Oo. Meron na? Sino? Asan dyan? Asan yung Rose? Pumuntahin dito si Rose. Dali. Pumuntahin dito si Rose. Dali na. Asan yung Rose dyan? Meron ba? Oo. Gagayahin nyo lang naman yung ganun, no? Ayan, oo. Nung nasa boat ng Titanic si Jack tsaka si Rose, nandito si Rose sa harap, di ba? Nakaganon siya. Anong sinigaw ni Jack doon? Alam mo ba? Oo, ganon. Alright? Kailangan gawin mo yun. Kunyari, dapat may rose dito sa harap. Oo. Asa ba yung rose dito? Oo, dito ka na, Rose. Arte-arte naman ni Rose. Charot. Ayan, alright. Sige, sigaw mo yung sinigaw ni Cha. 1, 2, 3, go!
I am the king of the world.
Yun na. Puno-puno naman ang emosyon yun. Ibigay na natin yan. Palampakan naman natin sila, guys. Yan. Picture, no? Oo. Uy, dapat dapat kunin natin itong mga regalo ito. Balita ko, pag binuksan nyo daw yan, mababago ang mga buhay nyo, nako. Oo. Alright, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Anong number na tayo? Number 7. Okay, this is your music number 7. Ano yan? Ano yan? Tumawa din tayo. Dali. What's your name ulit? What's your name?
Ayesa.
Ayesa. Ayesa. Ano ang TV show na yan?
MMK.
Anong ibig sabihin ng MMK?
Maalaala mo.
Alright.
O kaya,
Maalaala mo daw. Maalaala mo ba? Ano daw ulit? Final answer.
maalaala mo kayo.
Maalaala mo kaya. Sa maalaala mo kaya, di ba? Kapag patapos na yung kwento ng buhay, may pinapakita yung title. Tama pa minsan lapis, ano pa minsan tubibo, trumpo, o kung ano. Kung gagawing maalaala mo kaya ang buhay mo, ano kaya ang title nito? Dali na. Dahil naiiyak na ako. Roller coaster daw. Bakit naman roller coaster? Jowa na ba to? Oo. Ayun, no? Asan si Jowa? Oo. Di wala. Sige, picture tayo. Dahil bigay mo na sa kanya. Palapakan naman kasi natin yung mga nanalo. Ayun, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Ayan, nakakapito na tayo, ha? Bugbog na yung TV natin. Doon naman tayo sa radyo. Alright, the next music that you guys are going to be hearing is popular music na naririnig natin sa radyo. Sasabihin nila yung title ng kanta. Alright, let's play music number 7! Anong title ng kantang yan? Punta na dito. Ayun. Agad-agad. Mukhang team song mo ba yung Ben, ha? Ayan, no? Alright. What's your name? Napaka-pretty ni Nicole. Palampakan naman natin si Nicole. Ayan. Nicole, ano ang title ng kanta?
Closer You and I.
Tama ba? Closer You and I? Ayan. Sabi nila kapag alam mo daw yung kanta, alam mo din kantahin to, Nicole. Kumakanta ba to si Nicole? Gusto niya bang kumanta si Nicole? Yun yung tanong. Nakakahiya naman sa mga bisita natin. Alright? Kakantahin mo to, ha? Pero ganito, para hindi ka masyado kabahan, I'm gonna sing the first part of the song. Tapos chorus ka. Fair enough, di ba? Okay, sige. Gawin natin. Palapakan naman natin si Nicole. Music! Reverb naman. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream. So much more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget a picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. Nicole, grabe. Dito na yung prize mo. Congratulations. Ayan. Gusto ko pa sana patapusin yung kanta, kaya baka may umorder ng emperador. No? Nakakatakot. Ayan. Palapakan naman natin si Nicole, guys. Thank you, thank you. Alright, yung iba sa inyo, malamang sa malamang, ayaw na pumunta dito kasi pinapakanta ko na ako. Sige, parang dire-diretso tayo ng program, wala nang kantahan. Title lang ng kanta, okay? Wala nang kantahan. Let's play music number 9. Sino nakakalam ng title yan? Title ng kanta! Ayan, hello, kamusta ka? Alright, ano pangalan Macy! Macy! Ano ang title ng kanta?
Opalite.
Opalite! Alright! Diba sabi ko wala nang kantahan? Di ko naman sinabing walang sayawan. Alright! Gusto nyo masayaw sa Macy! Alright! Di ba ka na, Be? Sayawin natin yan. Dalihan mo. Oo, saglit lang naman yan eh. Oo. Baka ginagawa mo nga sa TikTok. Dali na dito tayo. Macy, Macy dito na. Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up! Macy!
Don't you sweat it, baby. It's dancing through the light. It's
I-revise na yung version, no? Ayun, maraming salamat. Alright, para baka naman natin si Macy. Picture. Ayun, no? Alright, thank you so much. Nakakasyam na tayo, no? Let's play music number 10! Oh, sino nakakaalam yan? Oh, dali na, dito na! Oh. Oh. Alright. Ayan, syempre alam mo to, no? Ano ang title ng kanta? Macarena. Dahil nagpapractice ka na, dito ka na, oh. Palapakan naman natin siya. Ayan, oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Kasi mama niya.
Oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan natin. Sex Bomb by Yesha. Dali na, tapusin mo yan. Alright, ayaw mo na para naman natin. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay. Uy, paldo ka dyan, ha? Oo. Sino yung nakadalawa dito? Ayun, oh. Alright. Uy, paumpisa pa lang yan, ha? Just like what I've said, ladies and gentlemen, lahat po exciting ang mangyayari sa araw na to. Alright, everything is going to be very memorable. Mamaya yung cash prize, okay? Mamimigay kami ng cash prize mamaya. Alright. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, we are now done with the first tradition na ginawa natin. That's our 18 treasures. This time, tatawagin ko naman po yung ating 18 bills. Okay? Alright, so ganito lang po yung gagawin ng 18 bills. Napakadali lang po. Dito po tayo lahat for a picture taking. Alright, at gagawin po natin ang isang tradisyon na ginagawa sa China. Okay? The reason why there is an 18 treasures, ladies and gentlemen, kasi we are going to be teaching our debutant over here, since na adult na siya sa araw na to, tuturuan po natin siya paano maging responsable. Alright? And in order for her to be very responsible, tutulungan po natin siya kung paano po gamitin kung ano man yung mga ibibigay natin. So I'm gonna be calling all the names na nandito po sa ating 18 bills. Hahawakan lang po natin, no? Tapos pa-picture tayo. Alright? Okay, so I would like to call Adeline Esperida. Adeline Esperida, dito na po tayo. Kasama si Fe Singkoy, Arlene Espinosa, Ruby Esperida, Eliza Esperida, Rose Ferreras, Ines Navalta, Isabel Ferreras, Pressy Erlano, ayan, Norma Erlano, Adolfo Esperida, Van Ermino, Cherry Lasala, Sonia Enjape, Natividad Parahora, Linda Hernandez, Stella Esperida, Elena Esperida. Ayan, lahat po ng pangalan na natawag ko, dito po tayo for a picture taking. Uy, palapakan naman natin yung ating 18 bills. These are very important people na magtuturo po ng responsibility po sa ating debutante. Ayan. Para naman mas para mas ma-initialize to put a more initialization sa responsibility na kanilang igagawad, they're going to be offering something na mas gagamit ng ating debutante. There you go. Ay, smile naman po tayo. Ayun, no? Alright, okay. Ayan. Okay. Alright, ayan, wala po munang aalis sa inyo dahil gagawin natin yung yung na-originate po talaga sa China, okay? Ganito po yung gagawin natin. Lahat po ng money, asan po yung mga bills natin? Ayan, ipapaypay po natin sa kanya yan ng 10 beses, okay? Alright. Di ba, kung maaalala nyo, mga Chinese, di ba ginaganon yung mga sa negosyo nila? And that's exactly what you guys are going to be doing para naman tuloy-tuloy yung blessing sa ating debutante. Alright? So I'm gonna start counting 10 from 10 up until 1. Okay? Sabay-sabay natin ipapaypay. Alright? Pinakamalakas sa pamaypaypay na ating magagawa. Alright? Together with our debutant, ladies and gentlemen, this is our 18 bills. Let's do this! 10! Paypay na po natin. 10! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ibigay na po natin sa ating debutante ang ating mga regalong bills. Thank you so much. Wala po munang aalis ha. Wala po munang aalis. Ayan. Alright. Yun, no? Uy, balita ko may 10,000 daw siya. Alright, eto na po, no? Meron po akong tatawagin very selected, a very few sa inyo dito. Like 4 people under our 18 bills na magbibigay ng mensahe. Alright? So I'm gonna be calling their names. I'll start with Rose Ferreras. Ayan, si Rose Ferreras. Ayan, bigay na po natin yung microphone. Magbigay naman tayo ng message sa ating debutante.
Marian, happy birthday. Stay beautiful and sweet. Laging mag-iingat parate and study hard para ma-fulfill yung mga dreams mo. Okay.
Maraming salamat. Alright, next will be Ines Navalta. Ines Navalta. Ayan. Excited kami marinig.
Marian, you're so sweet and charming, amazing young lady. So, wish ko sa iyo na makadal magmayad kay para maabot mo ang mga pangarap sa buhay. And si mama mo, yung sa iyo sa pagsuporta. Baka yung boyfriend, siguro. Inspiration lang. Para ma-inspire. Okay? So, good luck sa journey mo sa pag-ada.
Maraming salamat. Alright, that will be followed by Cherry Lasala. Alright, Cherry Lasala. Ayun, no?
Marian, happy birthday. Wish ko lang na sana, alam ko naman na lumaki kang mabuting bata and may takot sa Diyos. And sana, tama, pwede na mag-boyfriend, pero, may, alam mo yung limitations mo. And, good luck, and happy birthday.
Alright, maraming salamat. Ba parang kayo puro payag na mag-boyfriend? May jowa na ba yan si Marian? May jowa na ba? Meron na ba? Nako ha. Malalaman natin yan later. Alright, what about Linda Hernandez? Linda Hernandez po. Ayan.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
Alright, at habang nandito tayong lahat, no, sino may sabi sa inyong nga na yun, level 1 pa lang yan. Meron po tayong surprise para po sa ating debutant, okay? Hindi lang po, yan, mga bills yung ibibigay natin, syempre pati money sash. Alright, at ang money sash na to ay galing sa New Zealand from Tito Jeboy, and of course, coming from Leyte, si Tita Evan. Okay? At ang gagawan po ng ating manisage is Tita Adeline Esperida. Palampakan naman natin si Tita. Ayun, no? Diba? Paldong-paldo ka, baby. Ayun, no? Alright, ilagay na natin sa ating debutant yan. At sino nagsabi sa'yo dyan yan magtatapos? Alright, eto pa. Okay, level 3 tayo. May ibibigay si Tita Prezi Figueras. This is a money bouquet from Ninang Charlotte and Sinares, coming all the way from USA. Ayun, no? Alright. Money bouquet, ladies and palapakan naman natin sila. Grabe yun. Alright. Siyempre, Marian, tatayo ka for a picture taking dyan, be. Ayun, no? Palapakan natin ang ating debutant. Alright. Iba yung ngiti ni Marian ngayon, no? Gusto ko yan, no? Alright, maraming. Palapakan ulit natin, ladies and gentlemen, our 18 bills. Kasama ang ating debutant, Marian Rose Esperida. Alright, picture po.
Iniscan mo sana yung ano para nakuha mo yung soft copy.
Iniscan yung?
Para nakuha mo yung soft copy nito.
Ah, dun yung parang...
QR.
Di nila sinabi sa akin.
Mamay, magpipicture ka.
Kung pwede pa. Hanggang ano oras sila dyan?
Hindi ko.
Parang katatapata sila.
Alright, maraming salamat. Pwede na po tayong bumalik sa ating mga upuan. Thank you so much. Alright. At ang kagandahan po nito, no, according sa tradisyon na meron tayo sa lahat po ng nagbigay, whatever amount that you actually have handed sa ating debutante, ibabalik po sa atin ito ng 3 beses. You know? So, as early as this, we would like to congratulate everyone for giving your blessings or yung ating regalo sa ating bagong nagdadalaga. Ayun. Alright. Thank you so much. Para ulit natin si Marian, guys. Ayun. Ayan, at pwede ka nang tulungan din ng ating coordinators para itabi muna, no? Oo. Ay, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya, be. Ayun, no? Thank you so much. Alright, and of course, nung nag-meeting po kami ni Tita Prezi, no? Ni Tita Prezi, when we actually had our meeting, I think that was like weeks ago, no? Oo, medyo matagal na. Isang mission po yung gusto namin ibigay sa lahat ng mga bisitang nandito. Gusto namin lahat kayo na i-entertain, okay? And speaking of entertainment, tinatawagan po namin yung mga pinsan ng ating debutant na pumunta dito sa unahan. Nagbibigay daw sila ng isang pa-dance number. Sino ba yung mga pinsan na to? Oo. Masalamat kayo, di sa akin binigay yung pangalan. Ako, i-roll call ko kayo dito. Sino ba yung mga pinsan? Sino yung mga pinsan? Oo. Ayan, ikaw na Marian yung magtawag ng mga pinsan natin.
Ate, kumalik ka na din sa unahan. Oh. Dali ano? Ate Jonah, si Kuya Aldin, si Kuya Ian. Jonas. Si Prince, tsaka si Jesh. Si Ate Princess, tsaka si Jade. Si Chad pa. Si Kuya Vince daw. Si Kuya Teo. Chad.
Alright, ayan na guys ha. Oo, sabi nito, Yung kanina. Surprise number daw to. O, yung tipong kayo pala yung sinusurprise dito, no? Ayan. Alright, eto ha. Sabi kasi nila, you are family of dancers. Ganun daw kasi, oo. Mga mananayaw daw kayong lahat. Ayan. At dahil dyan, magpapatugtog kami ng isang requested music. Titingnan natin kung sino ang pinakamagaling sumayaw. Ang pinakamagaling sumayaw, may makukuhang premyo pagkatapos nito, okay? Alright, guys, palapakan naman natin yung pinsan ng ating debutant, mga pinsan ng ating debutant. Guys, may pa-prize po, may bibigay kaming regalo sa inyo, alright? Okay, ako, pabihira itong regalong to sinasabi ko sa inyo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the cousins of our debutant, let's play the music! Music! Dito na sa oh, you know, dalian natin, be! You know? Oy! 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 Bibigyan natin ang prize ng hindi nakamagaling. Wala na ba? Oh, sabay-sabay! Dali na sabay-sabay na tayo. Yun, no? Oh, oh. Isa lang talaga yung nakita ko nagpakita kilos. Halika na dito, ayun, no? Oo. Halika na, Ian. Halika na dito. Palapakan naman natin si Ian. Ayan. Alright. Congratulations. Ganun. Oo. Pag-games pala ito, no? Akala ko intermission number. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Nagkaroon na po tayo ng masasayang ganap, no? Kanina nagpalaro na tayo. Ayan, nagsayawan pa tayo dito. Ang promise po kasi sa namin sa ating debutant, we are going to be feeling a lot of roller coaster emotions. Ayan. Hindi lang po puro kasiyahan. Kailangan may pa-heartfelt moment din tayo. Okay? And with that, I am now going to be introducing the presentation of our 18 candles. Alright? So ganito po yung gagawin natin. Alright, our 18 candles are going to be handed a candle. Sa lahat na nandiyan, nagre-representa ito ng friendship na binibigay at binapaspas natin sa ating debutant. Alright? Pupunta tayo dito sa harap, hawak-hawak natin yung candle. Okay? Tapos, magbibigay tayo ng mensahe. Any message that you guys wanted to give sa ating debutant. Alright? And as far as I understand, everyone that have been part of our 18 candles were really handpicked po ng ating debutant para mapakinggan po niya ang inyong mensahe. Okay? And then later, sabay-sabay po natin itutusok sa cake lahat ng mga candles. Alright? At ibublow po niya ang ating birthday candles. Alright? Together with our 18 candles. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to call the first person that will be starting to giving the message sa ating 18 candles. Siyempre yung ating pinakamagandang kapatid, Shane Stephanie Esperina.
Hello po, good evening. Impromptu lang po yan, kaya super short lang. So, Mayan, happy 18th birthday sobrang bilis lang ng panahon kasi dati parang lagi lang tayo magkaaway tapos ngayon magkatsikahan na tayo. Alam ko na super namimiss mo ako. Ay, di ba? And gusto ko maaraman mo na yaalang ako pirme sa likod mo and maski din kita ganun ka pag in terms sa mga problema pero gusto ko aram mo na yaalang ako para magbati sa imo. Tapos super proud ako sa imo. Like super duper proud sa mga achievements mo sa DLC, sa internal achievements mo and sa ACADS. Yun lang. I love you.
Alright, and right after you count giving message, itutusok natin ang ating candle sa ating cake. Alright? Yes. Thank you so much. And that will be followed by the next person, Kisel Ermino.
Happy birthday, Marian. Thank you for inviting us. Alam mo man na forever grateful ako na to have you as my cousin and para sa kay Ate Pan, andito lang din ako always. Alam mo man na since bata, mag-aupod kita. Ikaw ang kauyag ko. Share ko lang, hinihibian ko po dati si Marian kasi mauli na po siya kasi wala po ako playmates. Siya lang po ang kauyag-uyag ko dati. Every time na mauli na po siya sa kanila, mahibi po muna na ako kasi wala na po ako kauyag. Marian, lang ako always, alam mo man, super open kita sa kada sa'yo. Whenever may problem ako, saro ka sa person na ingraramihan ko. Yun lang, happy birthday, enjoy your day. I love you so much.
Maraming salamat. Once again, that's Kisel Ermino. And I will be doing the same drill. Itutusok po sa ating birthday cake, ang ating birthday candle. And that will be followed by Shane Ermino. Shane Ermino.
Hi, Maria. So today marks the beginning of a beautiful chapter. Step into adulthood with confidence, kindness, and faith in your dreams. May you always believe in yourself and shine in everything you do. I love you.
Thank you so much, Shane Ermino. Alright, there we go. And this will be followed by Nicole Espinosa. Nicole Espinosa.
To our Maya, happy legality and thank you for bringing so much light and happiness to our family. And syempre, for taking care of Mama Lola and Papa Lolo. And alam ko namang dream mo to and pinaglaban mo to kay tita para makapag-debut ka. Kaya sobrang happy namin para sa'yo. And this may not just be your dream, but one of your biggest and most memorable day. And pwede mo ding balik-balikan syempre. And I know life isn't easy, but I want you to know na we're so proud of you sa lahat ng achievement mo, lalo na ngayong nagdadalaga ka lalo. And your artist is always here to guide you and support you. Love you.
Thank you so much. That's Nicole Espinosa. Alright, and that will be followed by Jonah Espinosa. Jonah Espinosa, please. There you go.
Hi Maya, 18th birthday. You bring so much joy wherever you go and you've grown up to be so beautiful and kind. And may this chapter of your life be full of love and unforgettable moments.
There you go, that's Jonah Espinosa. Thank you so much. Alright, and that will be followed by Lean Espena. Kathleen Espena, please. All right, I'm sorry. I stand corrected. Line Espena. Thank you. Line Espena.
Grabe, sana ma-proud ka sa ako ay. Diyos ko, hali pa ako nagating. Grabe ka, hali pa ako mag-beach. Pero anyways, hi, Mayan. Happy birthday. Di ko alam. Di ko alam kung alam mo, pero sa'yo ko talaga na naging very important sa akong life. We've been friends, and some of you may not know, we've been friends since grade 7. Pandemic era pa, so Jedi Moon pa po na mo. Mayroon pa kami sa couple na t-shirt stripes. Kaya kami tulo. And honestly, sa una po ko talaga, na-intimidate ako kay Mayan, kay couple ko sa to si Kate. Tapos yun sila sa balay, nakakitay pa siya sa tricycle. Tapos sabi, grabe ang imod niya sa ako. Sabi sa ako ni Kate, uy, kaklase tagod niya to. Sabi ko, ay mo, wala ko gayon man niya. Pero manin kataray, si kadang pa niya. Sabi. Tapos biglang ginawin ni Kate. Pagka, ano ko sige, sugad ko si Kate, uy, akin sabi yun. So, mga lang. Happy birthday, Mayan. Mayor, sana lahat na wish mo magkatotoo. So, yeah. I love you so much.
Thank you so much, Line Espena. All right. And this will be followed by Kathleen Escandor. Kathleen Escandor, please.
Habang ko mag-iyak yan so ako po si Kate, anong sasabi kanina ni Laina na BFF si Mayan since grade 7. To my soul sister on her 18th birthday. We've been through a lot. We shared 1,000 laughs and navigated all the awkward phases of side by side. Seeing you stand here today, so radiant and confident, fills me with so much pride. You aren't just my best friend. You are my constant. As you enter this new chapter, I wish you the courage to chase every wild dream you ever whispered to me. To the girl who has been by my side through every first and every finally. To the girl who been there whenever I needed. There is nobody else I'd rather have as my permanent as one. You always have a beautiful soul and genuine heart. And we're so very, very lucky to have you in our life. You know that I'm always here when you need it. I'll be right here cheering for you, supporting you, just like I've always been, and I'm always rooting for you, Mariana. And seeing you stepping to womanhood today is something truly special. Let's take on the adult world the same way we took on school together. I love you endlessly, my Mariana.
Thank you so much. Okay, that's a very heartwarming message. That's Caitlin Escandor. All right, and that will be followed by Gayan Peran. Gayan Peran, please. And Gian Peran. Here you go.
Hi. Ano ba si Ethan?
Happy 18th birthday, Marian.
I wish nothing but the best for my best friend, my secret keeper, and my safe space, the person who knows so many stories about my life and still choose to stay. I never expected that joining DLC would lead me to friendship like this, and I'm forever grateful that it did. From listening to each other's chico, the drama of life, the random rants and the moments that were just left until everything felt lighter. You've been there. You've heard every story, every problem, every click moment, even the times when you were slightly broken-hearted over someone, and we turned into the pain into jokes and laughter instead. Thank you for trusting me with those moments and for letting me part of your healing too. We may not always be open about our problems, and sometimes we keep things to ourselves, but what matters most is that we still here for each other. Even without words, there's comfort. Even in silence, there's understanding. When life gets heavy, you're there for me, and I promise I'll always be there for you too. I'll always cherish our memories, the non-stop laughter, the corny jokes, the unforgettable moments, and even the tampuhan that taught us patience and understanding. Those memories are proof of how real our friendship is, and I hope you bring them with you as you start your adulthood journey. Bring our laughter, our jokes, and the memories that remind you that you are never alone. As you step into adulthood, I wish you all the best. May adulthood shape you, challenge you, and help you grow into the strong and beautiful person you're meant to be. May you chase your dreams bravely, love deeply, and remember every lesson, especially the ones that taught you your worth. And I'll end my wish with this reminder for you that some people came into our lives unexpectedly, but they become the ones who make the journey worth it. Happy 18th birthday, Marian. I'm so proud of you and always be cheering you on.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's Gian Perham. Maraming salamat. Alright. And that will be followed by Stephanie Faunen. Stephanie Faunen?
Happy birthday, Ate Marian. Wala talaga ako na ready na message. So, happy birthday and thank you sa walang sawang chika. Sana diri matapos ang friendship. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's Stephanie Faunen. Alright. And that will be followed by Karen Faye Lasala. Karen Faye Lasala, please.
Hello, good evening and happy birthday, Marian. Napansin ko lang sa 18 candles, parang ako at ang pinakabata na may dalang bata.
Na-invite ka, di ba?
Nagdadalang bata pala.
Hindi kasi nakikita yung
So marami ka ng messages na natanggap tonight. Isa lang ang napansin ko. Looking at you tonight, feeling ko kung ako na talaga. Pero na ako. But anyways, so, cousin po ako ni Marian. So, since marami ka ng messages na natanggap, actually stepping into this chapter, which is womanhood, is both scary and exciting. No? So, meron akong baby girl, parang hindi ko pa ata kaya makita ang anak ko na maging victim. But anyways, para sa lahat ng mga early woman or mga nagdadalaga na nandito ngayon, it's both scary and exciting the same way. Scary kasi during womanhood, ang dami mong may experience, ang dami mong madidiscover sa sarili mo, ang dami rin may experience na pain and joy and then success, nandyan na lahat. So I have few wishes for you, Marian. So first, have courage and be kind. Cinderella lang ang peg. But anyways, yes, sa mga babae, we really need to have courage and kindness inside us. Now, and sunod, syempre, be empowered. So, hindi lang tayo basta babae lang. So, be a woman with purpose, and then be empowered. And then, syempre, maging ikaw sa kung ano mo nang maging gusto mo in the future.
confirm pa niya
And
yun.
syempre, last but not the least, be wise. So, bilang babae, yan ang pinakakailangan nating virtue ba? So, let's be wise in everything. Sa lahat ng mga decisions na gagawin mo in the future, be wise. And happy birthday. You're very beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karen Faye Lasala. All right. Okay, and the next person that I'm going to be calling under 18 candles, we have Eileen Desapula.
Tinag mo siya sa video. Sa live.
Possible siya may ganun bang feature?
Siya yung magre-request na mag-join.
Try mo nga.
Siya yung magre-request. Like,
Try
dito.
ko nga.
Tingnan.
Try ko mag
Hi, Ate Mayan. First of all, thank you for inviting me. Stay healthy, stay pretty, stay safe always. More birthdays to come, Ate. I just want to say na I pray you achieve all your dreams and become the person you've always wanted to be. Siyempre, Ate, thank you for being an ate to me, mayad na ate. Thank you for always being there for me sa mga panahon na nag-DLC pa kita. Sa iyo nga lang ako nagsasabi sa mga problema sa buhay na nagchichika sa mga namamatian ko. Thank you, Ate, kayo kapirmi para batiwan ako. Sa mga advice mo sa ako, Ate, na minsan diri ko imbabati, sorry.
Try ko mag-like.
I always be by your side, Ate Mayan. Good luck sa ACADS. Love you so much. Happy 18th birthday, Ate.
Thank you so much. All right, so once again, that's Eileen Desapula. All right, and this will be followed by Shania and Sinares. Shania and Sinares, please.
Candle. Wish. Ando na yung
Ikaw na next one. So, hi, Mayan. So, nag-meet ulit tayo. Perfect yung pag-uwi ko. Nasama pa lang tayo sa, naturuan ko pa kayo ulit ng cotillion. Like, last
wait lang.
year nung debut din ni ate mo. So, sana din ma-enjoy nila yung, cotillion. And sana, sa ulado nyo pa rin. Kasi konting time lang yan. And, ang ganda-ganda mo today. And congratulations kasi successful yung mo.
Yung may gantong option.
And I wish you good health. And
Wala siya
your
dyan.
wish come true. And happy birthday.
Thank you so much. That's Shania and Sinares. All right, and this will be followed, of course, by Angeli Nicole. Angeli Nicole.
Hi, Ate Marian. Happy 18th birthday. I want to thank you for inviting me today on your special day. Now that you're already in the godly pace, may God lead you to make right decisions and choices, help you to achieve more goals, and give you opportunities. Thank you so much for all the happy and memorable times that we shared together. I want you to remember to not be afraid of the things that you could go wrong away in your life. Always remember that you're doing great even in times that you think you're not. Enjoy your special day, have fun, and make some unforgettable memories. May your wishes and dreams come true and live your life to the fullest. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Marian.
Isasayang yung
There you have it. Once again, that's Angeli Nicole. All right, and that will